Sources of information. Introduction. The information sources are classified into four groups: ephemeral sources, non-scientific sources, scientific primary sources, scientific secondary sources. Sometimes information sources are categorized as primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. Ephemeral sources: newspapers, press releases, market reports, weather reports and forecasts, disease intelligence reports. Non-scientific sources: statutory and official publications, for example, parliamentary official statistics, statutory and approved lists. Trade and commercial publications, for example, promotion of products and services, technical specifications. Popular journals, articles, reviews. Newsletters, pamphlets, divisional bulletins, farming notes, etc. Scientific primary sources: scientific research papers, theses and dissertations, patents, standards, technical bulletins, research bulletins, conference proceedings. Scientific secondary sources: textbooks, reference books, reviews and monographs, bibliographies, indexing and abstracting journals. Three categories of sources of information. Primary sources, which report the results of original research or observations and are published the first time, providing original research and new knowledge. For example, theses, dissertations, patents, standards, conference proceedings, research reports, research journals, and research articles. Secondary sources acts as guides to primary sources, for example, abstracting and indexing periodicals, bibliographies, advance and annual reviews, reference books, guides to thesis literature, library catalogs and union catalogs, directories, computer-based secondary service. Tertiary sources. The number of both primary and secondary documents are so large that they require tertiary type of documents to cite both the primary and secondary sources. It gives bird's eye view of all important primary and secondary sources available. For example, guidebooks, bibliography of bibliographies, directory of directories. Summary. Sources of information can be categorized as ephemeral sources, non-scientific sources, scientific primary sources, and scientific secondary sources. Sources of information are sometimes categorized as primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. Thank you.